all and welcome back. So in today's tutorial we'll be looking on one more topic which is quite interesting, okay? And I got a lot of comments on the same while I was replying to all the subscriber comments. So the topic is how to create reports and how to add those reports into a dashboard. Okay, so we'll be looking into different types of report which we can create, different methods through which we can create a report, and how we can add those reports onto a dashboard. Okay, so let's start. So this is a ServiceNow instance. You must be familiar with this, okay, because we are looking into it on a regular basis. Okay, so we'll be creating 3 reports. Okay, so and all the 3 reports will be of different types, and then we will try to add those 3 reports into a dashboard. Okay, so for example, we will be looking into an incident table. So I will let's think on the runtime only what all reports we will be creating. Okay, so the first report which we'll be creating, let's go to the incident table. Will be incident. Okay, I will open all incident. Okay, and I want to see reports based on state, in which state how many reports are there. So active incidents. Okay, so what I will do, I'll go to the filter. Okay, let's put the filter first. Okay, so I will go to the filter. I will add state is, come on, state is sorry, I don't want to go, sorry, I want to see active is true. Okay, that's all. We have to first find out all the active incident, and based on this active incident we want to see how many incidents are falling in which state. Okay, so what you can do, you can go to the state, because we want to do group by state, right? So right click on group and you can click on the pie chart. So we'll be creating a pie chart for this. So create a pie chart. Okay, and it will create a report directly from the list view based on the filter which you have given on the list. Okay, so you can see this is the report. Okay, this is the report, and it already defined a filter active equal to true, and you can see that on hold there are this many incidents, in progress, and new. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to give the name for this report. So I will give the name incident group by state. Okay, this is the first report which I have created. Okay, so what we will do, we'll run the report to update the report out. Okay, it's loading, and then we can save it out. So in this way we have created our first report. Okay, and now we have created the report. Now we have to share this report. So how to share this report? So here you can see the option called sharing, right? So as soon as you can see share, you will get the share option. Okay, so you can share the report with you only. You can keep your report with you only. You can share with everyone. Okay, or you can share the report with a specific group or users. Okay, so I will go with the everyone. Okay, and I will give it, let's ITL have user have the access to all the incident. Okay, so we have to define the roles. You can define multiple roles also. So the first report is done. Okay, now let's move to the second scenario. The second scenario, for instance, you want to see how many incidents are there which are having priority high. Okay, so we will go with the different method now. Okay, you can go to you can type reports in a filter navigator, and you can click on create new. Okay, as soon as you click on create new, this particular interface will appear. Here you have to give name. I will give critical incident. Okay, and I also and I will give table. Okay, and table is incident. Okay, so we have given the table name as incident. We will do next. Okay, and now we want a count of incidents which are critical, right? So what we will do, we will scroll down, scroll down, And here you can see the score, right? So single score, because we want to see the single score. So we will click on single score, okay? And the report should get generated. We'll do next, okay? And here you can see right now the critical incident count is 71, right? We'll go, we can add filter, okay? Oh, let's not add the filter right now. Okay, we'll go next. Okay, and here you can see the style. So now what I want, okay, for if the critical incident count is below 10, then I want to show as a green color. If it's below 30, then it should be some kind of orange color, and if it's above that, then it should be a red color. How I can do that? So you can see your default color is black, okay? So let's make the default color as green. So we will put as green, okay, green, and we'll save it out. Okay, so now the default color is green, and you can now, so you can see the critical incident count got reduced to got changed to 71, right? Now we can add rules also, okay, editing rules. So what we will do, we'll add a new rule, okay, and the rule will be the first. Now we will be like greater than, we'll give between will consider the in between values, right? So I'll give between 10 and 30, okay? So if it falls between 10 and 30, then we want to give orange color. Pretty simple, right? Save, submit, and we will add one more rule, that if it's so it will be eye-catching experience, right? And it will give a clear idea based on the color only, give whether your count is increasing or decreasing, right? So we'll give greater than, if it is greater than 30, then we'll give a color as red. Okay, I will be following the traffic rule signals only. Okay, we are done. So now it's showing all the incidents, okay, because we have not defined any filter, and it's showing 71 because it's above 30, okay. Now I'll add a filter, say, let's say, wait, let's go back. So I will add a filter, I will give, what exactly I do? Priority is critical, okay, and I will run. So now we have 27 incident, and that's the result. We can see it's in orange color, okay. So the second report is also completed. We can save it out. Pretty easy. Okay, I'm saving the report. So the report got saved, critical incident. We'll again share this report with everyone with the ITL role, okay. I don't want, you can define your own role, okay, based on your requirement. So I've given it ITL role. Okay, this is also done. Okay, I will save it again. So now the third report, okay. Now in the third report, what I want to do, I want to see incidents. So I will go with create new, and I want to see incidents. What can I do? Okay, I just want to see incident which are active. Okay, I will create a simple report. Okay, so now we will create a data report. Okay, so I will give active incidents. Okay, not okay, incidents. Let's give table, then we will give incident. You can do it on any table. Okay, incident, and now we'll go next. Okay, now we want the data, right? So data is already defined. We'll go next, next. Okay, and we'll give a filter condition, so it's showing a lot of incidents, 71, right? So let's give active is true. Okay, and let's run it out so that we can cross verify with the first report, okay, which we are having. So it got activated true, and we have 44 incident. Okay, now we will run it out to update if any changes, and we will save it out. Okay, the report got saved, and now again the same step we will share with everyone. Okay, I will share with everyone on ITL role. So we have created 3 types of reports pretty easily and pretty fast. I can see. Okay, so we have created these 3 reports. Okay, the first one was a pie chart. The second was a counter, and the third one is a data report. Okay, now we want to get these 3 reports. We will try to get these 3 reports onto our dashboard. Okay, so what we'll do, you have to go to the filter navigator and type dashboard. Okay, and in self-service there will be an option called dashboard, right? So click on it. You can create your own dashboard. Okay, I basically I used to create a lot of dashboard for my own. Okay, so that I can manage my own things. So you can create a new dashboard, and it should appear. You can give the name to your dashboard. Okay, so I will give it a name as incident overview dashboard. It should be a small dashboard. Okay, and we'll make it submit. What happened to my system? Come on by me. Where's the dashboard? Incident overview dashboard. Okay, we'll open this one out. Okay, and from here now this is a dashboard. Okay, it's a plain dashboard because we have not added any widget on this. So you can click on this button and you can add reports. So you can add a lot of things from here. We'll be adding reports. So in reports we have 3 reports right now. Let's go one by one. Okay, and the first one is what we are incident group by state, right? So we click on this. Okay, and it will show you a preview kind of thing, okay, of that report. You can add it out, and it will take the entire space, which is not at all good, right? So you can simply, from the bottom of the report, you can simply drag it out and make it as per your need. Okay, so yeah, this looks fine. Okay, now we will again go to add, and the second was critical incident. It will again show the preview of that incident. Okay, loading report, and this is run live data. Okay, it's a runtime data. So okay, this is not looking good. Okay, what I will do, I will make it small, something like this. Oh, you can make this is looking pretty better. Okay, so I'll make it half. Let's make it full. Perfect. Okay, and now we have the third report. So it's a report, active incident report, right? So it will show that preview again, save, and boom, it shows like this. If you want to, you can bring this up, and you can bring this also up. Now it's look fine, right? I think it's perfect now. Okay, and in this way you can create a dashboard. Okay, so we have created a dashboard. Okay, and now you can share this dashboard, okay, with whom you want to share the dashboard. You can add the recipients or whatever you want to do with this dashboard now. Okay, so this is how you can create reports and share it uh, with create reports, share it with everyone, and then add those reports to a dashboard also. Okay, pretty easy, right? You can create multiple reports out of it. Okay, and you can see, let's very. So this is all about reporting and dashboard. Hope you like this video. Okay, please like, follow, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you will get all the updates on the coming videos. Okay, stay there in the journey of ServiceNow learning. Let's learn together. Okay, and stay safe and stay happy. Okay, see you see you with the next video. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.